Natural remedies for dry eyes include simple things you can do for yourself. Drink plenty of water. We recommend 8 glasses a day minimum. Exercise and wear sunglasses when you go outdoors. Stay away from windy, drafty places. That's going to dry your eyes out even more. Frequent use of eye drops do make your eyes drier. You need to restore the normal cell function to your tear secretion glands. TheraLife Eye is specifically formulated to relieve dry intracellularly by restoring normal cell functions. Give us a call at 1-877-917-1989 or email us at info@theralife.com.